In this episode of Mighty Car Mods, we're taking the BRZ for its first drive and its first skid.
Mighty Car Mods.
Welcome to another episode of Mighty Car Mods. We are down at Sydney Dragway, but tonight it's not about drag racing. It's the Whiteline Tarmac Rally Sprint. It's done at twilight, as you can tell, so it's going to get dark pretty soon. We have the BRZ, and it's going to be freaking awesome because it's basically a track that's set up in a car park, in a road course, in a new car park, and it's got this mad little sort of twisty motor kind of style event, which should be a lot of fun even in a stock car like this.
Now let's talk about this car for a second. I've driven it 2 meters in first gear, and then I put it in reverse and drove it around 2 meters in reverse. It was picked up by a tow truck. It has never driven over 5 kilometers an hour. The car is currently unregistered. That is an ongoing story. If you haven't heard about that yet, click on one of the things and have a look. So we can't drive it on the road, but we heard about this event that Whiteline was running, and we're like, this is a perfect experience to come out, get our car that we're not allowed to take on the road anyway, and just see if it works. So yes, there is a bit of a competitive element to what's happening, but really for me, it's just a shakedown of the car to see if it actually works.
So with this event, you have a driver and you have a navigator because the course is kind of complex. It's not just like a normal circuit where you're doing the same thing over and over and over again. It is a timed event. This is competitive, so there are some crazy cars here with light bars and stuff set up. It's purposely built for this kind of event. But the cool thing is we're going to basically bring the car here stock, and hopefully we'll be able to come back to another event in the near future after you've done some mods and see if we've improved the vehicle.
Yeah, so the first thing we've got to do is take the car through scrutineering, which will mean going into second gear, Martin, which is going to be pretty exciting. So we're going to do that and also just have a look around at some of the epic cars that are here for this event. Let's do it.
All right, you ready for this?
Nope.
I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm going to try and help you navigate. I'm going to load up a picture of the course, but I am notoriously bad at this.
Martin, we're going in 3.
Are we?
2.
Oh my God, I don't have the course.
1.
Good luck, mate. Yes. Whoa.
We're on Michelin
Right.
Pilot Sport 4s, remember?
Yeah, okay.
So we should be good.
to the
Right,
end.
left now?
No, all the way to the end. Left. All the way to the end.
Our previous owner told me this car's got a tune in it, by the way.
Left. Oh, and then left again here. Dude, you're doing well. Oh, yeah. Oh, you got chopped, didn't you, by the traction
Mate,
control?
yeah, because I didn't do the weird little pedal dance thing.
Right. Right, here. Hey, dude, you're doing a great job.
Oh, thanks, Martin.
And then we're gonna go. Then we got a long straight. Oh, that's a lot of gutter. Straight, 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 all the way to the end. Yeah, look at it go.
Go, BRZ, it actually works.
Brakes.
No, I'm getting late on the brakes, mate.
Brakes. Are you?
Just like I was taught.
Oh, almost
Not
on the
that
grass.
late.
I need to. I'm looking at the map upside down.
Were you really?
Yeah, I was.
Come on,
Okay,
man.
Sorry, I'm trying, dude.
This is a competitive event.
Guys, brakes.
No, I was brake late, dude.
Do you?
Yes.
That's scary. No skid zone, apparently.
Okay.
I'm gonna try not to skid. Dude, this is tight here. Oh, and then up and around that way. Yep. Smashing it. Fantastic. Dude, look at you go.
Look at us go, Martin. We're a
This is
team.
a cool. Oh, hang on. No, I'm still upside down with the map. How do you not skid here? That's wild, man.
Go wide.
Dude, you're getting up to about 85 k's an hour there.
Cut in tight.
Oh,
Go, little BRZ.
Come on, BRZ. Go. Yeah, not bad. And through the finish
Awesome.
line. Not bad.
Martin, thank you. That was good navigating. Thank you very much.
I'm using an iPhone map.
I would prefer it if you could hold the map up the correct orientation next time round.
Yeah,
that would be super useful.
Awesome to go that way.
But thank you very much.
Thank you, mate.
Now, does everybody get the time? Oh, we get a time from here.
I think, yeah. That's off like an online thing, and all these timers, when you do official timing, are joined to an online website, and you just look it up, and there it is. Oh, look, dude, we're here. We are car number 41. A 1:37.5.
How
we
are we
are
doing?
the slowest car by 10 seconds. We are the slowest car so far out of about 20 cars.
Are we really?
Yes. Someone just everyone's going really fast.
I thought we did pretty well.
You did great, but we don't have a car set up for this. This is stock.
Let's not make
else here-
excuses.
No, but who else here is driving a stock car that you've seen?
No one. Half these cars aren't registered, but neither's ours, so we can't use that as an excuse.
Well, interestingly, there's another BRZ there. We've got to find out his number and then work out what time he gets, because he might have a mildly modified BRZ.
The thing is, you can't tell. Someone could be here in my old blue BRZ that you'd think looks the same, and it's all turbo and mad and excellent.
Dude, you did a nice clean run.
Thank you, Martin.
I think you did well.
Would you have been braking earlier than me?
Yeah, I'll get
Maybe
scared.
that's why I catch you on the track sometimes.
Of course, because you brake later.
But then you're normally faster.
No, I'm not
around the
normally
corners.
faster.
Yeah, you're around the corners you are.
Uh,
Maybe because you're carrying, maybe...
Yeah, I'm carrying more speed.
Yeah.
And but you're generally faster overall, because I think you're more disciplined with the braking point, and as long as you also get the corner right. No, but if you brake it, because I don't brake enough, I carry too much speed and wash it off. If I'm lucky and I carry the right amount of speed, I
Yeah.
go faster.
Because when I went around the track with Chaz,
Discipline luck.
we were like going, go, 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 and then I put the brakes on,
Stamp it.
he's just like, no. He literally goes all the way up to the corner and then just slam, then go again, because he's like,
Yeah.
less time under braking means faster lap times.
Totally. And that's why I'm not a race driver.
Yeah, I mean,
Even
I'm not
anywhere
either.
close to being.
But that
one.
was really fun, and thank you to Whiteline for having us down,
Yeah,
by
it's
the way.
mad.
That's actually really cool. And
the idea today is to basically set a time with the car stock.
and to see if the car works. The car's never been driven before.
Yeah.
Never.
Yeah.
That's
What was chopping you from going sideways? Was it the angle thing?
the pedal dance.
Oh,
Remember the pedal dance?
Yeah.
You go like boop 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 boop, and then it turns the thing off. I actually have to Google how to do it. All my thing is off. Can you see up here? Like
Yeah.
all of that
Oh, everything says off.
is off. But it was still chopping me. When we tried to get sideways, it still chopped me.
Makes sense for the road, doesn't it?
It does, but there was a way of turning it all off, because I've been in this exact same car park pulling
Yeah.
massive skids.
Yeah, that's right. In a stock.
So
it does
I
it.
need to. Hey Siri, how do you do a big skid in a BRZ?
Here's what I found.
It's just going to the Mighty Commods forum. All right, fair enough. Here's the good news: car works.
It does.
Bad news:
Well,
so slow.
So
oh my
slow.
god.
I wouldn't say that it works properly, because I reckon you're getting held back.
Yeah, it's so it's got a performance tune on it, which obviously was meant to work with all of the other modifications that are now not on the car. Whoever repaired it, there's no way they went back and got the ECU and returned it to factory again. There's no way that was happening.
And you know how we know that? Because we found the previous owner, do we know it's got a tune, and it's likely that whoever repaired it didn't know it had a tune because it looked stock.
Oh, and because they didn't need to. It's
Yeah.
like when we're going looking at STIs, like half of them have got modifications on
Yeah.
them, and the people at the dealership have no idea.
And it still drives, and you wouldn't
Yeah.
know just driving up and down the road, but when you try and actually get into it,
Yeah.
it's way slower than your blue one.
Well, what we do know from the blue one, even when it was in its stock form, when we tuned out that kind of little part down low, like get some headers and tune it out, it made such a difference. This here is not, well, it doesn't matter, because all that's,
Is it? What's happening?
I don't know.
You don't have a plan?
Maybe I should ask these guys. Come over here for a second. Come with me. These guys look like they'd know. Hello, boys. How you doing? I'm Luke. How you doing? I have a quick question.
Sure.
How do you fix a BRZ?
LS.
LS.
There you go.
All right.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We are.
That's not. No, wait. That doesn't
We hope
mean
you
it's
enjoyed
getting.
this
That doesn't.
episode.
No, that doesn't mean it's getting it because two dudes who are driving a car with an LS said it needs an LS.
Oh, does their car have an
Dude,
LS
everyone
in
with
it?
LSs is nodding.
Anyway, there it is. Look, the car works. Not optimally, but it works.
If you're in Sydney, great event, by the way.
Yes,
you
and a
can bring
massive
any
thank you to
car.
Whiteline for having us down.
You can bring
We're
anything.
going to LS swap it and then come back again.
What?
We've got too many LS swapped cars.
We're not going to LS swap it.
No.
No way.
No, we're not. We're
We're
not
going
at
to
all.
K swap it.
Sorry, fellas.
There's no such thing as too many LS swap cars.
Yeah.
All right, see you next time. Of course, if you want to support the show, you can get some merch like Martin's thing here. or
Not that one.
I don't know. Okay, just something. All right, thanks for watching. Martin, next up, it's...
Yes, we're back on the rotary.
Next up, we're back to the RX-7s,
Yeah.
which Marty's pretty happy about.
Yeah, stoked.
We're going to order a bunch of parts and get this going, but until then, it's RX-7 time. We're going to be making so much power, we're going to be kablamoing into space.
Mate, if my RX-7 can make more power than this does at factory, I'll be stoked.
Awesome. All right, thanks everybody. See you later.